All right, what's up, everybody? This is a video for Reddit tools. I'm looking for a little help off of Reddit. If anyone else wants to watch, feel free. You know what I mean? So anyway, I'm trying these new like homemade socket trays. I don't know. I kind of got the idea because this tray is kind of full, or this drawer is kind of full, and I have some of my older sockets on these homemade things that I made like a really long time ago. I don't know, I was like 15 or 16 at the time. And these used to sit flat in a couple of these other drawers down here. But I hate sockets like ankle high, so I want to put them up here. And I kind of want to do this angle deal that I had just kind of envisioned, but I want to spread them out more now. So I'd be able to fit numericals like over here. So I'd actually know what size everything is. I have that tray and this tray, and I kind of want to angle them. So I started building this template over here out of this thingy. And then I got a couple legs. This is just to get an idea off of everything. And I'm going to put it together and zoom back in a sec to show you guys how it looks afterwards. And then I want to get these other, kind of like these gear wrench ones over here. Like these plastic ones, because I hate these things, because these things like... You know, they suck, these little metal spring things. So, great. Put that back in a little. But these, you know, these, I don't know, I think they're at like Sears and Harbor Freight and Gear Wrench. And I think even Tecton makes them now like this, where they got these little thingies. So I can get them from any one of those manufacturers and switch them all over to these, because these are just so much easier than messing around with this. So, but I mean, I'm kind of looking for any suggestions on if you guys think I should do anything a little different, or how do you think the project's coming along so far or whatnot. I mean, this was a lot to type, so I decided to just show you guys. I'm probably going to go with a different kind of wood later. This was just kind of laying around, so I cut it up into how I needed it and kind of doubled these up and everything because they were kind of thin, just to see how it looks and see if, you know, it functions the way I wanted. So, yeah, let me know, guys. Thanks. So here's the basic idea when it's done. Keep in mind it's still a template. I mean, it is pretty stout, actually. But I still think it's a better idea to make it out of hardwood. Plus, I made a lot of mistakes, and, you know, I know you're supposed to, like, measure twice and cut once, but I'm kind of stubborn and I didn't really care. I was just kind of put it together. I'd take more time on the final product. But this is kind of the idea, to kind of get this slope. And then, you know, spread these out and be able to number them and go get a bunch of these type rails, slide them on here, and maybe have like 1/4 inch, you know, 3/8, 1/2 inch, and then like Torx, hex, E-Torx, splines, stuff I don't use as much over here. I'm also kind of thinking of making it even bigger when I do make the final product and have it literally go from end to end. This is like a 52-inch box, but I think from inside to inside it's like 50-ish. And then maybe empty out my impacts as well, and then empty this whole drawer out, because these trays take up an awful lot of room and they don't hold that many sockets. So those can maybe be put up here as well, and then I'd have another big-ass empty drawer. So, yeah, like I was saying in the earlier part before I cut to this, I'm looking for suggestions or input on how to improve it, because if I'm going to do this, I only want to do it once. And I want to get used to it, and I want that to be the end of it. I don't want to be going back and forth and continuously changing it or modifying it. So I'm kind of looking for some brainstorming here to put it together the right way one time. Maybe order a set of stickers or just write it in with marker, so I can, at a quick glance, know what sizes are what, pull them off, and, you know, just have everything be easier. So, yeah, I'd appreciate anything, either in the comments here or I'll check the Reddit post. All right, thanks, guys.